Hi, I'm Lauren from LSB Actions. In this super quick tutorial, I'm just going to show you, demonstrate adding some florals from the LSP Floral and Botanic Overlay packs. I'm going to use the actions to apply, but you can drag and drop these by hand. So I'm on the coloured branch overlays at the moment, so let's add something really sweet to add to this beautiful shot here by Anna Brandt. How about we have one of the magnolia scenes? I'm going to go for this one, number 2, to start with. We can try a few different things. Oh, I think that frames our subject beautifully. Before and after. Let's add something different. The peachy sharp sides will look really pretty. You can just twist and change these exactly how you want them to come in. And let's add another. Oh, that's the same one I've just added, isn't it? So I'm just going to drag that to trash. Getting ahead of myself there. Let's go for side 2. Very pretty and really beautiful on this image. Let's get something completely different now. How about something very vibrant? How about some reds? I'm going to use the red wilted branches here. You can see these do have depth of field inside. Completely kind of different. It looks absolutely gorgeous on this background. Something really different, unexpected for an image like this. Let's add these ones in as well. Really pretty. So you can just drag and drop and play with these. Really beautiful, really good fun. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.